Guys, we are about to go outside. We have a snowy storm last night, so I don't know how it look like outside. We are wearing our winter jacket again. So hard to open, honey. It's so hard to open our door. Oh boy. Oh my gosh, honey, can you push it? You're not even wearing your winter shoes. That's too much, guys. Can you imagine my front yard? Holy cow. Ah! What is that? Wait. I can't believe it's a winter wonderland, huh? Oh, my house. Hi, yakaw. This is too much. Ha! No, I know it's hard to Winter wonderland. It's beautiful. Are you doing exercise? You're not even wearing your winter boots, honey. I don't know. Whatever. Thank you, honey, for helping. Good for me. That's better. Now I can walk. The princess is walking. Ta-da-da-da-da. Thank you for helping me. Now you, huh? I know, but I mean, it's, oh my goodness, look at that, guys. Oh boy. You wanna make halo-halo in Philippines? A free, a free ice. Just don't hurt your back, man. I'm going at the back. I want to see how was the snow in my backyard. Oh boy. What? Look beautiful. Oh, look at the kids swing. So hard to walk. Wow, look at that, guys. Look. My barbecue table. Oh my. Our barbecue. My kids' trampoline. OMG. It's full of snow. Oh, look at my apple tree. My apple trees. Oh, and how is my garden here? Oh. Look at that. Okay, let me go and see my husband. Oh, it's so hard to walk. I'm just loving it. I'm sure my kids, once they walk up, they will love to play here in the snow. Boy, oh boy. Oh, where's my husband now? Where are you, husband? Where are you, husband? Where are you? Ah, my hand is frozen now. It feels like -10 today, guys. You know, it's just one day snow. just like that. And I hope this is the last one. Oh my gosh, it's in the middle of April, guys. That's why people, you know, they have their winter tire, and some people, when the weather is good, like the month of March, because spring start on March, they change their winter tire. You know, some people do that. You know, that's why if you live in Alberta, if you are new to Calgary, you have a winter tire, don't just change your winter tire soon, okay? Just do your winter tire, change your winter tire at least like first week of May or second week of May, just to make it sure, guys, okay? Because you never know, right? Some people they just change it so early, and now we have this kind of weather during springtime here in Alberta, and it's scary because the road is still slippery, you know. So yeah, welcome to Alberta. It's gonna be warm now, honey, for the next coming days, so I hope it's gonna be okay. Now it's my turn to clean up my car. Good morning. Ay, grabe. Pirmi garud. Ag-shabol ako madi-exap. Ay, di kalman ka mo ko. Nag-angin di kalman. Sama na nag-shabol di kalman. Pirmi man ato nga. Ang wala pa kisama nan. It's a good exercise anyway. Yesterday was so much snow and so much windy. That's why we don't have the... Oh boy. This is a good exercise in the morning. I don't know. I had to take my kids earlier today in school because we don't know, the road is so hard to drive, hey? This is too much, hey?
It is, but yeah, when it's going to be gone this weekend.
I think so, yeah.
I hear 19.
I think so. It's gonna be nice and warm this week, so we're good. I like that.
Unfortunately, we have to get rid of it for the next few weeks.
Oh God, hey. You know what? We have a very nice weather on the month of March.
Yeah.
Even
I
January
know.
and February.
Usually we get 2 blizzards in March. We didn't get any.
I think it looked like the snow get angry yesterday.
Yeah.
Like suddenly. You know? But otherwise, I hope this is the last one.
I think it might be. Well, we usually get May long weekend. There's usually miserable weather.
Oh boy, hey. This is very important. If you're going to clean up your car, you have to make it sure the light is clear, side by side and then in the back, and clean up the plate number so they can see, like, you know, just in case. Otherwise, the police will stop you. They will charge you for that. Oh God, I'm here for almost like an hour since me and my husband was outside. My neighborhood already cleaned up their driveway. Only us left. Oh. Ah. It's not easy. so tired. Yeah. Oh boy. Get out there, Maya. Mommy's finishing the snow.
Okay.
The shovel, I mean. Go and play over here. Oh, see, that's beautiful.
I can make a heart.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Don't let the snow get into your sapatos. Mapang ka sa school. My goodness. Kids just loving it. Is that good?
Wow.
Oh, is that hard?
Yeah.
I can see. Let me see here. Oh.
I do this in school.
Yes, you do.
When I always do this, the boys when they're running, they usually destroy our heart.
To destroy your heart.
And we usually yell at them.
Yeah.
Hi, Marson.
Wake up. You wake up.
Oh,
I know. Look at that. Get inside now. It's still early. Let's go.
Okay.
Come inside. It's a little bit slippery, guys. They clean up the road, so it's better. Yeah, this is the good thing, guys, because no matter what, there's a snowstorm. The city of Calgary, they clean up the road, so that helps for us drivers, eh? Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. God bless everyone. Bye.